How to fix broken FLAC support in the Windows October 10, 2018 update. Below are some tips that may help fix broken FLAC support in the Windows October 10, 2018 update. 1. Choose an option in https://goo.gl/via4lf. How to play FLAC files. 2. Roll back your Windows 10 version 1809 in Settings Update and Security Recovery and then, hide it until it matures using the Hide Updates tool at https://goo.gl/zrvum6. 3. If you had trouble compressing FLAC, reset the exact app in Settings Apps and Features App Name Advanced Settings. If necessary, uninstall the app and reinstall from a fresh download. Check the app support if there is a known issue with patch issued or expected.